bwanyuma ya butandwe Jaisoro Murambuzi umunyishengero wa Kinkizi West James Rugi Kaberuka acorekero kwatwire natere nduro mwishengera habwe ngutombo mu district ege konka batari kubifaho
orukuto nko rutiruko bire rukugambwaho Kaberuka rukabere rugambwaho ihanga ryone abo kubano nitunga esente ziri kwika billioni 9 okurwo muri bwindi so billioni 9 eziri kurwo muri bwindi zonka omuntu yaferaho n'abajungu bangahe bari kuza kugaruka bari kumanya ngo baza kuferaho
buri zoba habwindi government neshorozaho miliyoni ziri kurenga 500 buri zoba kandi buri zoba eze sente zigendera kimwe Kampala government yagwa hagati tizitu za district konka ekira tusasanga local government kandi hamwe n'abantu bona bakanungu abo turi kwebembera no kugira ngo twire toragambira government ngo muhanda no muhanda mukuru mihanda turateka teka nkabebembezi omwihanga ngo government eshemire kuteka mwe sente okureba ngo yagitamakinga yatamukora
butandwe jeferire mu murambuzi w'umujungu omwe kandi abandi bana batungira ubufuta bw'amani.
You see, given this gradient and maybe the braking system failed, that is what I got from my traffic personnel. And what I know is the bodies on the spot. We had one dead body, one called Shulderman, which is now currently in the mortuary of Bwindi Community Hospital, and some other 2 were critically injured. About 4 of them were critically actually injured, except 1 survived.
Abebemeze n'abaturani bende ngo utomora kanungu zukorwe ahabo kugira ngo nizikoresebwa munonga barambuze abari kutahiza ihanga
mono bukuto kiba kurufa uje baruboneze ukaye baruhirwe bugazi ukaba ruhango rwa ruhango wano shareji kona ni cyane kikubanguhira kuyamba
ahwireho like nko kwezi kumwe basi ya Starlink na ekegwire hari uko takubasa kugeraho haraba gashwa twakorosinga twagaruke nyima nakakuta kandi akutwa ejo nese nako kakakari kabi munonga ahubwo no kusinga
gasha kwa hweza Wilfred.